Hello friends and welcome back to our channel once again. This is Alice and I'm back with yet another informative news video for all of you. तो अभी हमने 2 दिनों में एडमिशन रिपोर्ट्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया अबाउट कॉलेजेस टेकिंग आउट देयर एडमिशन क्राइटेरिया, एग्जाम्स के एडमिशन क्राइटेरियाज आउट हो रहे हैं. We have done a lot of placement reports already and we finally have the IIM Calcutta Final Placement Report for 2021. So without wasting any further time, let's dive right into the video and check out what's the scene for IIM Calcutta. So quick overview. Indian Institute of Management IIM Calcutta recently conducted its 56th batch final placement drive for 2021 for its flagship TGP program, जिसमें 100% इंटर्नशिप रिकॉर्ड हुआ था एंड उनका जो MBA प्लेसमेंट था इट सॉ पार्टिसिपेशन फ्रॉम ओवर 139 रिक्रूटर्स फॉर अ बैच ऑफ 473 स्टूडेंट्स एंड सम ऑफ द बेस्ट रिक्रूटर्स जिन्होंने प्रोसेस में पार्टिसिपेट किया वो थे केपलर, कैनन, BCG, वेदांता, गोल्डमैन सैक्स, हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर, PNG, ITC एक्सेट्रा. लास्ट ईयर IIM कैलकाटा ने एक नया प्लेसमेंट पॉलिसी स्टार्ट किया था इन विच दे नेम्ड इट ड्रीम and wait and hold. Just so as a part of this policy, they let their students keep their offers and apply to other institutions. So अगर highlights देखें, so maximum CTC जो गई थी that was 80 lakhs per annum, which is huge. Average CTC was 27.9 lakhs per annum. Median CTC was 25.5 lakhs per annum. The batch size was 473 students and with the participation of 139 recruiters, total 482 offers हुए थे and 43 new first time recruiters थे. अगर हम batch profile की बात करें of the 473 students, then 73 students were male. 73% of the students were male और 31% students जो कि थे they had work experience of 1 to 2 years. So ये है मेल फीमेल का ब्रेकअप. 73% मेल, 27% फीमेल. एंड वर्क एक्सपीरियंस का अगर हम देखें so they had 20% of freshers in their batch. 0 to 1 years का work experience 22% people, 1 to 2 years 31% people, and more than 2 years of work experience 27% people. नेक्स्ट, अगर हम इन स्टूडेंट्स के एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड की बात करें सो बीटेक बैकग्राउंड से वी हैव 64% स्टूडेंट्स, बी बैकग्राउंड से वी हैव 19% स्टूडेंट्स, बीटेक एमटेक बैकग्राउंड से वी हैव 5% स्टूडेंट्स, बीकॉम से 6% एंड अदर कोर्सेज से 6% स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, अगर अंडर ग्रेजुएट इंस्टीट्यूट्स की बात करें ऑफ दीज स्टूडेंट्स तो 34% आर फ्रॉम IITs, 16% from NITs, which say we have 4% students, and the others belong to others institutions say we have 46% of students. Next, अगर हम प्लेसमेंट की key stats को देखें, so 14% offers were made in the finance role, production, manufacturing, IT में 12%, sales and marketing में there were 18% offers, consulting में 40%, operations management 16% offers made. So that's the thing about the placement statistics of the different sectors. Next, सेक्टर वाइज प्लेसमेंट्स अगर हम देखें सो मैनेजमेंट एंड कंसल्टिंग में 20% ऑफर्स थे, टेक एंड एडवाइजरी में कंसल्टिंग में देयर वर 11% ऑफर्स में. नेक्स्ट, ऑपरेशंस एंड जनरल मैनेजमेंट में वी हैड 19% ऑफर्स, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में हमारे 16% ऑफर्स थे. ऑल्सो फाइनेंस में वी हैड 15% रोल्स and production, IT, manufacturing में we had 19% roles. So this is what you can see in the graph as well. Management में 20%, tech and advisory 11%, operations 19%, sales and marketing 16%, finance में 15 and product management में 19%. Next, अगर हम offers की बात करें over the last 3 years, this year there were 36% PPO offers, lateral offers say 25%, finals 39%. Batch strength has risen over the last 3 years from 442 to 473. Total offers this year were 482. However, in the previous 2 years, we had more number of offers and number of recruiters. If we see last 3 years, I mean, this is the highest, which is 139 recruiters, whereas last 2 years we had 131 and 125 recruiters. Next, अगर हम CTC offered की बात करें, so we have the stats for this year as well as last year's CTC. So top 5% of the batch का average CTC 67.6 lakhs per annum, risen from last year. Top 10% का average CTC 55 lakhs per annum. All the values from the last year have risen. Top 15% का average was 49.3. Top 50% का average is 36.9. Top 75% का average is 31.8. And the overall average for the batch is 28.4 lakhs per annum, where the median is 27.2 lakhs per annum. Next, अगर हम sector wise statistics की बात करें, so we have the average as well as the maximum here on the screen. Consulting में average is 28 lakhs per annum, maximum is 36 lakhs per annum. Product management average 25, maximum 36. General management 23.3, maximum 50. Sales and marketing 30.5, maximum 80. IT and analytics average 23.1, maximum 35. Finance 20.6, maximum 80. Operations 29.3, average 46, maximum. So we had 80 CTC offered for both sales and marketing as well as finance sector. This is the list of the major recruiters for this year. So we had major recruiters like Work India, Hinduja, IBM, Citi, Uran, FinIQ, L'Oreal, Kotak, Infosys, Adani, PNG, Airtel, Ericsson, Paytm, Prime, Tata Consultancy, Amazon, RPG, Barclays, Deutsche Bank, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch. So आप अगर देखोगे, this is a mix from the different sectors. So we have banks, we have e-commerce sites, we have FMCG core companies, we have consulting companies. So हर type की companies थी who were made it to the list of major recruiters this year. So this is it about the IIM Calcutta final placement, wherein we discussed about उनके highest, average and median CTCs. हमने sector wise ये breakup देखा. We looked at the sector wise placement, looked at the role wise placement, हमने top recruiters को भी देखा, हमने within sectors we looked at their average as well as their highest CTCs. All the numbers very pleasing, and IIM Calcutta, as we all know, आपके top IIMs में तो आता ही है, and for most of the people coming from the finance and wanting to do their MBA in the finance specialization, especially, IIM Calcutta is their go-to place. So ये था हमारा detailed report on the final placement this year. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, so don't forget to like and share the video. Comment sections में अपने जितने भी queries है जरूर drop करिएगा, so that we can sort out all the queries for you. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon ताकि next time जब हम ऐसे interesting news video लेके आए, you don't miss out on anything. So till the time we meet again, I hope you stay well, stay healthy. Please take care of yourself, your family, and especially the mental health of yourself and if possible people around you, because if there is something that can help you deal with the situation is your mental health. वो बहुत ज़्यादा important है. So please take care of it. Take care of yourselves, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much.